Hello, good day. Today is the day we have all been waiting for, how to trade on Bybit. If you click on your Bybit app. If you check the countdown, we have less than 1 hour, and this is the page we used to trade. Let me go back. So you get to your main page. Always click your wallet, then go to a unified account, or you have spot account in your own, whatever is showing. Go to your dog. So this is what you'll be seeing. So you click USDT. Now you get this countdown. If you start trading, you see figures on this red and the green. So let me take you to a trade that is already happening. So let's use TON as an example. Now this is what you'll be seeing. But on dog, you'll be seeing dog at this place. You'll be seeing dog at this place. So this is to buy. You want to buy dog, or you want to sell. By using it as an example. So you click sell. Now I have TON. You see your available dog, as the case may be, but I have TON here. So you see it here. So there are two things you have to do. Notice this. We have red and green. This green, they want to buy TON at 5.62. This red, this last person wants to sell his own at 5.622. So they are different with a fraction. Now if you want to sell immediately, you just click this first green. Immediately you want to sell, click this first green. You see it will appear on this place. You see where all my this thing, you appear there. Then you either choose 50%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. If I say 100%, I want to sell 1.88 TON. Let's assume that's dog. Let's use that as dog. So just click this. Let me sell 50%. Click this. Then you click sell. If order fails successfully, it will sell immediately because I use the first one. Now, if you see, my TON has reduced. So you go to buy. You see that I have 5.1 USDT. So let's say I want to buy back my TON. I'll click here, the last one here. If you see 56250, 56250. So I take 100%. I buy back. Immediately, order is filled immediately. So that's how to buy and sell. So I don't want this video to be too long. That's how to buy and sell. I wish you the best. The next video I will show you how to cash out. Thank you.